vlog on the world of coasters. Today, myself and Louise have come out to Great Yarmouth, and we're going to be doing 2 vlogs today, aren't we? 2 short vlogs. This one being the shorter of the 2. We've come into Joyland, which is a small, like, family-run theme park in the middle of Great Yarmouth. It's short from the shots outside. It's a very small park. It all really consists in this tower here. So this park opened back in 1949, and this is one of the staple rides of here. It's one of the staple rides. I think it's like renowned. Anyway, the one-way system is kind of blocked off. We're gonna have to jump over this fence to go back in. But here's the entrance of the Snails. It's one of a kind, Lou. This is a good ride, isn't it? Just a slow ride.
Been on this since I was a kid.
But yeah, like I say, it's 1 token per person, so £3 for 2 adults, and these are the ride vehicles. You can see they're very vintage. But yeah, it's just quite a crazy ride, so we'll see you on the Snails. Right, so obviously this is a, you don't have to pay to get in, but the tokens are obviously optional, which is why it's quite busy in here. They do have a queuing system, so I imagine they have a capacity, but it's not overly busy, just a bit. They have got social distancing markers on the floor, which is good to see, and people do seem to be following it. But
and the staff are wearing masks.
Yeah, but not many people wearing masks around here.
Oh god, it's slow.
Right, so we're off on the old janky snail ride. There is one of these in Yarmouth Pleasure Beach, but it's not as historic as this one. Filming on the rides, like I say, they have no problem with. I've got the actual vlogging camera here. Oh yeah, they need to trim their bushes a bit. But just to show you, it's like very janky. Yeah, it's quite comfortable in here, isn't it? And I think they've actually got names on the back of their bow ties by the looks of it. So this has some roller coaster elements to it, but it doesn't count as a credit, because look at these drops.
I haven't been on this since I was a kid. This is like nostalgia.
This is either my first time on it, or because we've been on the coasters here, haven't we? But I've never vlogged from it because it's such a small park. But on this mega trip, we're going to be vlogging so many parks, so this is the first of many. Anyway, here we go, on to the first roller coaster element. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my
Smooth
god.
as butter. Smooth as butter. It's amazing this thing doesn't derail. Then we've got some bunny time, airtime hills coming up now. Here we go. Oh my god, my back. How does this thing not like break? I don't know. And anyway, when you come back through the station, they take your picture on a camera and give you a sticker, so you get a sticker, Lou.
Yeah.
So we'll show you that sticker when we get off the ride. There we go. Just come off the Snails, first ride of the day, and you got your sticker for the photo. We were the 5th people to ride this today. Like I say, this is the sort of part where they take your picture as you get on or off the ride, like on a DSLR, and then you get it from a booth, which I think is quite a cool little...
I like that.
Yeah, I like that. It's very...
You're actually like prepared for the picture, because they're like, right, ready, and then
smile.
go. Let's go on this one.
So we're going on. I've never been on this one. This is Neptunes Kingdom or something like this. It's their only dark ride. It looks like it's had some work done to it recently, because I know this like tower was done in '96. Louise needs the tokens. So we'll have a look at this dark ride, see if it is any good. 1 token again for everything, and we go in like unicorns this time. So this is a bit more rattly. This one, it's like proper like tin. Oh, here we go. So no smoking on this ride. You can always tell a ride's old when there's no smoking.
Is this a scary ride?
No, it's like a dark ride. Had some work done to it from what I can tell.
Wow, look, like we should have been on that ride right now.
Oh yeah. Same sort of ride system as the Snails by the sounds of it, but without the drops. It's impressive how they fit all this in here. There's Neptune waving us goodbye. know things need to be a jump scare. Here we go, end of the ride. I realised halfway through that ride, Louise was saying that we should be out there right now, and by that she means we were meant to be out in Disney World at the moment. However, that trip got cancelled back in June thanks to COVID, and we rescheduled it to be in France, and that also got cancelled due to the quarantine. It's been rescheduled for next year, so we come out to Yarmouth.
Disney World is
Fully cancelled, yeah. So we decided that we still got the 2 weeks off. We're doing a UK mega trip. So this, like I said, is the first video of, I think like 12 or so. We're going to a lot of parks. We're doing this and Yarmouth Pleasure Beach today. We're going to Alton Towers. We're going to Pool, Flamingo Land, Cadbury World, Fancy Island, Drayton Manor, and some of our locals when we get back at like Chesterton and Poole Park. So plenty of vlogs to come. So yeah, we've got loads coming on the channel. Anyway, now that we got off that ride, the crowds have dissipated. I think it was just the morning rush. And the one-way system does seem to work. I haven't seen anyone going against it. But I think we're going to go on the Tyrolean tubs, which I'll show you just around the corner here, like I say. Is the only Virginia reel left in the world. If you're in the UK or in the area, definitely give it a go, as these are extremely rare sights now. As you can see, it's a spinning barrel and it's electrically powered. But it counts as a credit, it's a powered coaster. Extremely rare credit, and it's only £1.50 to ride. And they do spin, and I'll get an on-ride pod of us on it.
Even as kids, this would make you feel sick.
So let's go on the tub twist. So here we go, another original ride. I think this one opened with a park back in 1949, but it's one of a kind. You won't find this anywhere else in the world, and it is a squeeze, but you can get 2 adults in it. So we'll see you on the ride. Okay, so this spins like crazy, this thing. It's like a powered spin, but it also free spins. I hope I don't drop the camera, and I hope we don't die. But yeah, simple layout, like a Virginia reel. And as you can see, if I just put the camera over the edge, holding onto it tight, got a powered spin. And oh my god, here we go.
I'm so scared of
Oh! God!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, hold on.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Okay, just keep staring at me. We won't vomit. Can't decide which way it wants to spin. You can maybe see why these rides were like demolished around the world, because they're quite violent. This is only a miniature one as well, so a full-size one would just be deadly. How are you enjoying your ride? Oh! Oh my god!
When is it over?
Very soon. We're on the last turn round. I'm gonna throw up.
It's so rough.
I love it how we've ended up like this, like just interlocking legs. Oh my god, I'm so dizzy after that. Great credit though, well worth it. A rare one to have, the Tyrolean tub twist. So there's a few more rides to do. We've got the jet cars, which is this one in here. It's just like a simple layout, kiddie ride. And then the Spooks coaster, and I think we're going to have 1 token left, which Lou, are we going to keep the token, or are we going to use it on another ride?
I've done this one on the coaster. So
okay, so we're going to have 1 left. So let's go over to this jet cars. It's quite impressive how they fit all these rides into this small area. It's very landlocked, so using this mountain, like that dark ride we went on, I wasn't expecting it to be as long as it was. So let's get through the crowd and onto the jet cars. On the ride now, it's obviously just a kiddie ride with the steering wheels, and we've got a front row, so you looking forward to this one though?
yeah.
Never done this one before. Simple layout, but we need to use our tokens up, so let's go on the jet cars. Another vintage ride, we always tell it a vintage, got like a proper wooden floor. Right, so here we go, jet cars with a strange Toy Story rip-off. So it's like being at Disney World again. Toy Story Midway Mania. There's the back of the car. so with a ride on the jet cars now complete, there's only one ride left to do. Obviously there are other rides like these little kiddie Ferris wheels and this little spinning ride. We're a bit big for them. So we're going to do the spook coaster, which we have to go around the loop one more time. Yeah, Lou, what do you think of Joyland as a whole?
Well, this is like my childhood, so...
Like, you introduced me to this back in 2015, and...
this was the first ever holiday I was ever brought on when I was 2 weeks old. Been coming every year since I was 0, so yeah.
It's a brilliant place, and like I said, the Pleasure Beach is just down the road. You've got Pleasurewood Hills not far from here, which we're going to on Sunday. But yeah, like, I feel like they've done a good job with the social distancing. Probably the only thing they could do is maybe space people out a bit more, but it is difficult.
Sanitize either.
So, well, yeah, well, they weren't sanitising the rides, which we didn't see, but they have got hand sanitizer at the beginning of every ride, and on the tub twist they did prompt us to use it before going on. Anyway, Spooks Express, which is the last coaster here, it's the newest ride here, built in 1996, when they remodeled the tower round. So let's go on the Spooks Express, Lou. Just a simple, like, double helix coaster, but it's built up on this really well-themed mountain. And yeah, I can't think of the manufacturer for it, but hopefully we can get a good video of this for you, and we'll see you on the ride. Spooky! Alright, so I've got you on the GoPro for this one. We're on the Spooks Express, here we go. So that's all the rides done now in the Joyland. That is a very short vlog from here today. But after this we're going to be heading down to the Yarmouth Pleasure Beach and doing all the rides there. We've been there before, we haven't vlogged it, as we normally just do the roller coaster, but for £12 we've got a wristband for 4 hours, and we're going to be going on all the coasters. I think there's 4 credits and another short vlog. So we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching this short vlog, and see you later. Bye!